Victron Lynx Shunt 1000A review. The smart battery hub that changes everything? Feeling frustrated by scattered battery monitoring systems that never seem to give the full picture? Tired of juggling multiple shunts, fuses, and messy wiring just to understand your power flow? Drop a comment if this hits home. What if a single hub could make your entire DC system simpler, cleaner, and more reliable, turning frustration into effortless control? Power systems fail when complexity overtakes clarity. Misread battery levels, hidden currents, and unreliable readings cause stress and uncertainty. Imagine a solution that consolidates all monitoring into one intelligent, central module. A system that reports state of charge, current, voltage, and energy usage precisely, while organizing wiring and eliminating guesswork. Finally, control and confidence without adding chaos. The Victron Lynx Shunt VE.Can 1000A is more than a simple shunt. It's a sophisticated power hub for demanding DC systems. With a 1000A current rating and M8 busbars, it handles high-capacity installations for marine, RV, van, and solar systems. Its built-in battery monitor tracks state of charge, amp hours, current, and voltage with remarkable precision. A fuse holder is included for added safety, while multiple negative busbar points allow clean, organized connections. VE.Can connectivity integrates seamlessly with Victron GX devices, enabling real-time data display on GX touchscreens or remote access via the VRM portal. Its IP22 enclosure protects against splashes and condensation, while ultra-low resistance minimizes voltage drop and heat, ensuring safe operation even under maximum load. The shunt also provides galvanic isolation, protecting communication networks from electrical disturbances. One marine professional shared, "Installing the Lynx Shunt simplified wiring and gave me the confidence my batteries were monitored accurately." Keep reading. There's a bonus tip at the end for optimizing multi-bank setups. The Lynx Shunt transforms complicated DC power systems into precise, manageable networks. Imagine having instant insight into every amp flowing in or out of your battery bank, displayed clearly on your GX device or remotely via VRM. Industry analysts call it a new benchmark in DC system monitoring, while marine electrical engineers highlight the integration of a high-current busbar with a precision shunt as a game-changer for reliability and safety. Off-grid solar installers note that its 1000A rating and low-resistance design prevent weak points in high-performance systems, while professionals in van and RV conversions praise the centralized negative distribution, saying it dramatically cleans up wiring and reduces failure points. Users report consistent, accurate state of charge readings that don't drift over time, giving them confidence in their energy management. Whether you're powering a large boat, a solar farm, or a custom van build, this unit ensures every connection is safe, every amp is measured, and every system operates at peak efficiency. Which feature would revolutionize your setup? The VE.Can integration, ultra-low resistance, or the tidy, modular busbar design? Comment below and join the conversation. See why thousands rely on the Lynx Shunt to keep power flowing flawlessly. Demand is rising, and the Victron Lynx Shunt VE.Can 1000A is quickly becoming the go-to solution for professional-grade DC systems. Join users worldwide who have simplified their wiring, gained precise battery insight, and boosted system reliability. Don't wait. Upgrade your setup today and experience complete visibility and control over your power network. Bonus tip: purchase now and unlock integration strategies that maximize efficiency across multiple battery banks. Don't just watch. Transform your power system and gain peace of mind instantly.